The big weather news this morning, Hurricane Maria making landfall in Puerto Rico as a powerful Category 4 storm. This storm is still packing 155-mile-per-hour winds with 190-mile-per-hour gusts. I know earlier this morning there were gusts up to 215 miles per hour. So this is a powerful storm here. Here you can see the eye of it moving across Puerto Rico right now. Let's take you a little deeper into that storm. So first we have the eye, and then around the eye we have the eye wall. That's where we get the really intense storms, the heavy rain, the strongest winds there. So the eye passes, you get the eye wall here. So there's light and calm weather in the eye, and then the back end of the wall comes in. You see how that really intense red right there? The back end comes in, bringing that second round of rain and storms, the most intense part. So this is going to continue to barrel its way across the Puerto Rico area. It's already caused catastrophic damage in parts of the U.S. Virgin Islands, such as St. Croix. So all these areas are going to continue to see this throughout the rest of the day. Let's take a quick look at the track of it. So not a great day for Puerto Rico. By the end of the day, even though the eye of it has passed over the island, they're still going to deal with rain on the back end. Those outer rain bands are going to continue to batter the island, and they'll still see those strong wind gusts. Look at this. The eye has moved off, and they're still dealing with 55-mile-per-hour wind gusts later on this afternoon. From there, Maria remains offshore from the Dominican Republic, but those outer rain bands once again will still impact the Dominican Republic. For Dominican Republic, they are not on the right side of the storm, which is usually where you get that strongest part, this side right over here. So, but they're still going to get some impact from that back end. Okay, they can still see strong wind gusts, heavy rain, and some storm surge associated with that. By 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, the storm continues its trek over to the north, and from there, it could impact some of the islands around the Bahamas, although it will remain offshore. But get this, even though it has passed over Puerto Rico, most of the time when those storms pass over land, they tend to weaken a bit. This storm is going to remain strong. It's still going to be a major hurricane, still a Category 4 storm as it moves its way up to the north. From there, we're all wondering, okay, where does it go from there? So Friday, still a major hurricane, still a Cat 4. It's not until about Saturday or so that it becomes a Cat 3, but even then, that's still a major hurricane, okay? Finally, Monday at 2 a.m., we can see that it is a Category 2 storm, and it is lingering out there in the Atlantic Ocean, right kind of, outside of the Carolinas there, far enough over the ocean, but it could still cause some impacts along the coast. Now let's look at the other models and show where it could go, just to get a general consensus. For the past few days as we've been watching this, most of those models have agreed to keep Maria well offshore, okay? And what's happening is we've got a tunnel, a hurricane tunnel, I would say, setting up. You got a little bit of high pressure over here. You'll still have a little bit of high pressure over on this side. So this is kind of the only way it can go. These hurricanes, they want to go where they can survive. And they're like, high pressure? I'm not going to run into that brick wall. So it's going to stay where it can survive right here over the ocean. So most of the models do agree that it's going to keep it out to sea. You see one trying to loop it a little bit further over. We'll watch out for that because there's still plenty of wiggle room here. We're several days out, and there's still time for those tracks to shift. So we will continue to watch it for you. I would not get alarmed, but I certainly would want to keep an eye on that forecast. Check in with us. Hey, Miri, what's it doing next? So we'll continue to do that for you. In terms of a quick 7-day outlook for us, the weather couldn't be better. A little warm out there. We're up to 88 today, 87 degrees tomorrow, 85 Friday. It starts off fall, but feels more like summer. 86 degrees Saturday, Sunday, good football weather for the Redskins, 88 degrees, a little warm, but still great weather. It's not snowing and raining. Monday, we have some clouds in the afternoon, and then Tuesday, we could see a shower and a high right around 85 degrees. So we'll continue to track all of this for you.